There's a small passage, once secret at the base of the wall. We are descending into the legendary Catacombs of Salem. We walk by candlelight under a river's bed. Drops of moisture trickle along the walls embedded with bones and skeletal remains. It's said that when the witches of Salem escaped their persecutors, they found refuge in these dark walls. Here they freely practiced their demonic rites. There's a foulness in the air, pungent smoke, ominous echoes. It's the witching hour, and this is the witch's cauldron, a place you wouldn't want to be caught dead, and especially not alive.